If you've been waiting on a package for weeks, your order might be here, stuck at sea in a shipping container. The COVID pandemic has snarled global supply chains.
And you can't find lumber to build a new home. Well, you can't find products to stock the shelves of your small business. You can't find holiday gifts. Well, it's all because of the global supply chain crisis that's happening right now.
Supply chains.
Supply chains.
Supply chain.
Supply chain.
Supply chain.
Supply chains.
Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are breaking down the basics of supply chain management. You might have heard these terms like procurement, inventory, and distribution, but what do these mean in real life? By the end of this video, you'll understand how all these elements work together to bring the products from a factory to your doorstep. Let's dive in. To keep things simple and easy to follow, we've divided this video into 5 chapters. Chapter 1. What is supply chain management? In essence, a supply chain is the end-to-end process a product undergoes, from the initial sourcing of raw materials to its final delivery to the customer. It involves a coordinated sequence of stages including procurement, manufacturing, distribution, and logistics, each playing a critical role to ensure seamless flow and availability. Every step in the supply chain works in harmony to bring the product into the hands of the end user. Chapter 2. Key components of a supply chain. Sourcing. The process where companies identify and obtain the raw materials or components necessary for their production or service offerings. Manufacturing. After sourcing, these raw materials or components undergo various processes to be transformed into finished products. Inventory management. The finished products are then stored in warehouses, where stock levels are carefully monitored to ensure there is enough inventory to meet customer demand. Logistics and distribution. Carry out the movement of products from warehouses to retailers and ensuring they reach the customer either in-store or through delivery. Chapter 3. A real-world example of supply chain. Let's break down the journey of your morning coffee, starting right at the source. The process begins at coffee farms in regions like Colombia or Ethiopia, where farmers grow and harvest coffee beans. These beans are the essential raw material for your coffee. The beans are then transported to a roasting facility where they undergo roasting to enhance their flavor. From there, they are either packaged as whole beans or ground, depending on the product. Once roasted, the coffee is stored in warehouses. Here, inventory management plays a vital role in maintaining the freshness of the coffee. Companies monitor stock levels closely to ensure a steady supply. The packaged coffee is then sent from warehouses to various destinations, including coffee shops, retail stores, or directly to customers' homes. This stage requires careful planning to keep transportation costs low and minimize delivery times. At last, the coffee reaches a local cafe or store, or it's delivered right to your door. When you make your purchase, the supply chain has successfully completed its journey, bringing your coffee from farm to cup. Chapter 4. What is supply chain planning? Supply chain planning is a multi-layered approach that ensures products are available when and where they're needed. This planning process includes several key elements: demand planning, supply planning, and sales and operations planning. Demand planning forecasts customer needs to ensure products are available at the right time. Using data analysis and predictive techniques, it anticipates demand based on trends, consumer behavior, and past sales. Accurate forecasting helps avoid overstocking or shortages, reducing waste and costs while keeping products readily available. Demand planning is key to balancing supply with demand, allowing companies to respond to market changes and keep customers satisfied. Supply planning is about making sure resources are in place to meet demand. This involves working closely with suppliers to get the needed materials, managing inventory levels to avoid too much or too little stock, and setting up efficient production schedules to match demand. By balancing resources effectively, supply planning helps prevent shortages or excess, keeping products ready for customers while controlling costs. Then there's sales and operations planning, or S&OP, which brings everything together. S&OP is a collaborative process that ensures demand forecasts align with the company's capabilities and strategic goals. It bridges the gap between different departments, helping organizations make informed decisions on production, distribution, and budgeting. Together, These elements of supply chain planning help companies respond quickly to changes in demand, reduce costs, and maintain customer satisfaction by keeping shelves stocked and deliveries efficient. Chapter 5. Future of Supply Chain. Supply chains are evolving like never before. With advanced technologies like AI, robotics, and data analytics, companies can now forecast demand with incredible accuracy, adjust inventory levels in real time, and even automate complex warehouse operations. These tools enable faster, smarter decision-making, minimizing delays and improving service for customers. But it's not just about efficiency. Sustainability is becoming a top priority across industries. Businesses are implementing eco-friendly practices by reducing waste, lowering emissions, using recyclable materials, and optimizing logistics to cut down on fuel consumption. By integrating technology and sustainability, companies are not only enhancing their supply chains but also meeting the demand for responsible, eco-conscious operations. This future-focused approach aims to create supply chains that are both agile and aligned with environmental goals, paving the way for a more sustainable global economy. In this video, we explored the fascinating world of supply chain management through the journey of coffee, from harvesting beans to brewing the perfect cup. We covered key stages like sourcing, procurement, manufacturing, inventory management, warehousing, logistics, and distribution, culminating in supply chain planning with demand forecasting and supply alignment. Each step highlights how interconnected processes work together to ensure efficiency and quality. The next time you enjoy your coffee, remember the intricate supply chain that made it possible. We hope this example helped you understand the basics of supply chain management. If you want to learn more about how businesses operate or stay updated on the latest industry trends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.